Infinitive. An infinitive is a verbal that consists of the basic form of the verb. It is usually preceded by the preposition to. There are two types of infinitives. First, the present infinitive. Second, the perfect infinitive. The present infinitive. We use the form to plus the base form of the verb. Example, it's better to give than to receive. Let's now move on to the perfect infinitive. We use the form to have or to have been plus the past participle. For example, you have been praised when you have been delighted. An infinitive may be used as first, a noun, second, an adjective, third, an adverb. That's all. Thank you.